use Razorpay as my payment gateway, and I wanted whenever I receive a new payment through Razorpay, instantly a payment confirmation WhatsApp message should be sent to that particular customer on WhatsApp like this with a personalized message. So now you're manually sending confirmation messages on WhatsApp, that too with personalized details, takes a lot of time. That's where I got up an amazing automation solution which helped me to capture the new payments through my Razorpay and send the automated WhatsApp message with her personalized details like this to each and every customer instantly. Yes, you heard it right. Here on my screen you can see a simple automation that I've set up between my Razorpay and my WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Now whenever I receive a new payment through Razorpay, instantly a payment confirmation is sent to my customer on WhatsApp via Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you how it actually works by simply making a test payment using my Razorpay payment page. So this is my Razorpay payment page, and here I've already pre-filled some dummy details. Here for the phone number I've used my own phone number, and here we are going to make a test payment. So for the payment I'm going to select the method as net banking, then we are going to select a random bank, and here I'm going to make a success payment because I want to receive a payment confirmation message. You can see a payment has been made successfully. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. You can see a new message has been received on my phone number where the name is Hi Test User this time, and these are the new payment details. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation, and now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And now here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. Here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. For your reference, I have also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat, and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says when a payment is received on Razorpay, send a WhatsApp message via Pabbly Chatflow. After analyzing my request, it is asking which Razorpay trigger should start this workflow. So I'm going to select payment captured, and for Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to select send text message. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event, and we have received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged into my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account, and currently it is in a test mode. So we are going to set up the webhook inside that only. Select developers option, and from here select webhooks. These are some existing webhook URLs. We are going to add a new one. Here we are going to add our webhook URL, and here for the active events I'm going to select payment captured. Alright, here you can select all the events as well. I'm going to select a single one, which is payment captured. Okay, now we are going to move forward. Click on this create webbook, and you can see we have successfully set up a webbook inside our Razorpay. That means we have connected our Razorpay account with Pabbly Connect. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webbook response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to make a test payment using our Razorpay payment page. So this is our Razorpay payment page, and here I'm going to add some more dummy details and make a test payment once again. This time we are going to enter it as demo@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, random address, pin code, and the product. Now we are going to make a test payment. Here I'm going to select the method as net banking, and we are going to make a test successful payment over here. And here you can see we have successfully made a test payment over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful payment where we have received all the order details and customer details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Once we have received a new payment, we are going to send an automated WhatsApp message via Pabbly Chatflow. You can use another WhatsApp communication platforms as well, such as Wati, Interact, WhatsApp by SNC, or WhatsApp Cloud API as well. So we're going to build a new connection, and it is asking for a token. So to get the token, you need to click on this hyperlink available over here, and it will direct you to the all Pabbly apps window. From here, select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so once the number is connected, move towards settings and select API and webhooks from here. Here you can see your API token, copy it and add it over here. Then click on the save button. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me for a respond WhatsApp mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here instead of entering the number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new payment through our Razorpay. Then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter slash first, and here we are going to map the number. This is the phone number. Let's move forward. Here it is asking for a WhatsApp message. So I need to enter the message that I want to send to my customer as a confirmation. So let me add it. Alright, so I've successfully added a message where I've added the details such as customer name. So I'm going to map it. Let's search for the name over here. This is my customer name. Moving forward, here we are going to map the order ID. Then we are going to move forward, and here you can see I've used asterisk before and after some text to make that particularly text bold. Okay, so we're going to move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. For the keys, turn on this map button and then leave this field blank. After that, we're going to click on the save and send test request. But before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. Let me add mine. Alright, I have successfully added my number, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a message on our WhatsApp number. Let's go and check it. And you can see a new WhatsApp message has been received over here with the details as hi demo user, and this is the same message. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Razorpay and our action as Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever we're going to receive a new payment through our Razorpay, instantly a payment confirmation message should be sent to our customer on WhatsApp with personalized details using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send automatically WhatsApp messages to all your Razorpay payments. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.